said I must eat so many lemons, 'cause I am so bitter. I said I'd rather be with your friends, mate, because they are much fitter. Yes, it was childish and you got aggressive, and I must admit I was a bit scared. It gives me thrills to wind you up, because the fingertips are holding onto the cracks in our foundations, and I know that I should let go, but I can't. Every time we fight, I know it's not right. Every time you feel upset and I smile, I know that I should let go, but I can't. What are you holding out for? What's always in the way? Why so damn absent-minded? Why so scared of romance?